Here are the top 4 mistakes MFA applicants make in their artist statements. Talking about huge, broad themes that any artist could be working with. I mean, if I had $1 for every artist statement that said that their work was about humans and technology, humans and the environment, I could send my kids to art school several times. You've got to get specific. People do not get specific enough, and so what happens is that your statement ends up sounding really generic and unfocused. Remember that every single person in their statement is going to write something about how they want to do the MFA because they want to be immersed in a community of artists and they want to learn from faculty. Of course you do. That's fine. But the thing is, everybody writes that. So if you want to write about that, you have to frame it so it's very specific to you. When you write about the supplies that you work with, don't just list off, I use painting and sculpture and found objects. Don't just list art supplies. You really have to talk about how you actually use those supplies, and not just saying, oh, I paint with palette knife, but talking about why you've chosen those materials and why you have a particular technique that aligns and supports with what your work is really about. If you guys do those 4 things, you're going to be way ahead. Join our 2023 Art School Portfolios group. Ongoing support and critiques for BFA and MFA applicants, including a weekly voice session for $30 to $40 a month.